TEMU.
We still trying to figure TEMU and them out. We still don't know all the way.
We don't know them like that.
So we gotta sit here and figure it out. You gotta be able to hit those Tony Braxton low notes. You gotta be able to hit it like that. I have no clue what is about to happen. I'm gonna be honest with you. But I'm gonna tell you this. We finna open this bag. Huh? Hey, cousins. Hey, it's your girl Mary Kay coming to you with this latest.
Hey.
Coming to you with us like that.
Let the church say subscribe.
Hey, y'all. What's going on? Let me first, before we start, let me send a big shout out to my subscribers. What's going on, cousin? What's going on? You know I gotta show love to all my channel members. New channel members, what's up?
What's up with ya?
I got something for y'all today. Y'all know y'all love when I do these TEMU hauls. So I got you on that, okay? We working with TEMU today.
TEMU! TEMU! TEMU!
You gotta be able to hit those Tony Braxton low notes. You feel me? You gotta be able to hit it like that. You gotta be able to do it like that. If you gonna come up in the 90s like I did, you gotta be able to do it like that. Okay? But I chose. You gotta be able to hit it like that. Y'all, let me show you this bag. You know what? I think the reason why y'all want these TEMU hauls so bad is because we still trying to figure TEMU and them out. We still trying to figure TEMU and them out. Let's just tell the truth, shame the devil. We still don't know all the way. Now, they have had some slaves. I've seen them, okay? It's probably just, hey, you just got to find the diamond in the rough. It might be easy, it might be tough, but we don't
know them like that.
So we got to sit here and figure it out. Now, I got some stuff in here. I don't even know if this is all wigs, y'all. I have no clue what is about to happen. I'm gonna be honest with you. But I'm gonna tell you this. We finna open this bag. Huh? I'm gonna get my face together. And then we about to see what's what, okay? Okay, y'all, so let's get into this. Yes, I beat my face like it stole out the collection plate. Now, to this TEMU bag. Again, I don't know what's going on, but this is what we're gonna try. Y'all, I'm excited to try that one out. I really am. We have a 100% human hair, luxury human hair wig. We have a braid wig. Okay, come on with the variety. And we have a ponytail. Yeah, we just gonna pray on that one. And we also have a curly wig, okay? I believe we starting with that one. Let me go ahead and take care of these puffs, okay? I rock rough and tough with my afro puffs. Hey, okay. Let's just get it together. Now, this is a wig grip cap that I wear all the time. You already know you can find it, okay? Let's start off with this curly wig, all right? This is a 14-inch short, Chad, they talking about afro curly. That is not afro curly, honey. Wigs for women, fluffy, curly, wavy wig. Honey, this done been afro, wavy, everything. With bangs, and it's shoulder length. Now, it's got a little wig shine to it, okay? It's got a little wig shine. And y'all know wig shine is what? Not mine, all right? We shining and glistening and tangling, twisting with this wig, all of the things. But let's just go ahead and separate. We're just going to disrupt these curls because, hey, we just going to cause a little ruckus. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you got to do that. So let's just cause a little ruckus. I'm going to use my pattern pick. Y'all know I love that pick. And baby, listen, it picks like other picks, okay? I just like it because it looks different and it's by Tracy Ellis Ross. That's it, period. Now, so do you see how it's coming across? Once you put a little building fund to it. I know some of y'all new to the channel, you may not realize what the building fund is, but you've been putting a little change in the building fund since you was about 18 months old if you grew up in the church, okay? You trying to get the doorknobs and stuff fixed in the church and things like that. So you got to put to the building fund, and the church been building funding for about 53 years. Look how that's coming along when you put a little change in the plate. You see how that is? So you have to put in the deposit in order to get the withdrawal. Look at that. Come on now. If nothing else, you're gonna get you a bad picture out of that, okay? Now, I was concerned about this one right here. This is a braid wig, but it's got that pesky double lace, y'all. I can't stand it. But anyways, this is a long braided box wig for women. It's a 13x4 synthetic micro braid. They're not micro braids, you guys. They're medium to large box braids, okay? Hey, you guys, I'm just gonna give it a throw on, and as you can see, this is not full lace. The back is capped, so if you're gonna get it, I would get a natural color, okay? Well, if your natural color is dark like mine, okay, you just want to do that because you want the hair to blend with the cap in the back, okay? And the cap is nice and airy and stretchy, you guys, so it'll fit lots of domologies, okay? I love the long braids. You can either dip it in hot water or do what I do when I don't feel like doing that. I run down the braids with my hot comb and it gives me the same results. When I just kind of want to get those bumps out of the braids from shipping, you know, because it's like wrapped up and twirled around. You know what I'm saying? Now, you don't have to do this, but I would suggest anytime you get a wig with double lace, just cut the lace out, okay? And the more and more we cause commotion about this, folk will start listening. I don't know. Y'all, they can stop. Honey, braid wig, if y'all listening, if you're making a braid wig right now, don't put that double lace on there, okay? We just gonna cut it out anyway. Don't do it. I think they was trying to do the fake scalp, you know, look, but it leaves a thick mark across the forehead, and that is not cute. So y'all already know I do my bald head scallywag edges, okay? I make them very thin. These are my thinning shears. See, I love those. Okay, I make them very thin and then I cut them very short. Okay, I know some people like real big, thick, ignorant swoop-a-doops, and that's okay too. You can do what it is that you want to do. But as for me, I like the more natural look when it comes to like grown woman hairs on wigs. Most of the time, sometimes I get ignorant on you. I'm not above it, but most of the times I do my little bald head scallywag edges. Okay, look at that wig. Look how that turned out. Look how that turned out. But you're gonna have to cut that. I'm telling you, cut that double lace, because this is not like this is like the best HD lace on earth, but the price, okay, makes up for that. I gotta give my baby her lovings because I start working early in the morning, so she always wakes up and she comes in and she gets her mama the loving. Look at this wig. Look. Y'all, that's cute. That is cute. And I believe this wig, let me see how much this wig is. Hold a minute. This wig, now right now, this wig is $41. Do you hear me? What I say? Come on now. Y'all got to grab this. Okay, TEMU. Y'all, I didn't know TEMU was coming at it like this. That is real cute. You get that lace together. Look at that side part, because it's a 13x4, so you got a little bit that you can go with the side part. Y'all, I was in my bag. Wow. Now for this luxury human hair. Oh yeah, come on now. Style your hair, style your life. Whoa, take it easy. It's just a wig, all right? Wig cap featuring young Karen. Thanks for the wig cap, guys. Y'all, now let me tell you something. I immediately was like, hold a minute, TEMU. Y'all, this feels so good. I was like, oh, let me look at this. Let me take a look. And it has the adjustable elastic for a glueless fit. Honey, let me tell you what this is. This is an Afro Kinky Curly 13x4 lace front human hair, short human hair wig with baby hair. Now, as you can see, I was taken aback. Okay? Taken aback. Now, let me ask y'all this. Why do we say aback? Or is that just a fancy way? Can we just not say I was taken back? Can we just not say that? Is that just not classy enough? I don't know. Y'all tell me. Do y'all say back or aback? Or aback? Anyways, Don't be afraid to cut that. If you want a natural ear tab like I do, you're going to have to cut a little bit of that hair, depending on your domology. I have a small domology, so I always have extra lace. I have to cut that thing off. You got to do what you got to do when you got to do it, okay? Now, you know that lace was not matching with my face, okay? It just wasn't. But I don't mind putting a little dollop of color on there. We are going to just get these edges together. This is going to be glueless, but we're going to get the edges together and just get them laid and made. All right. Now, I'm going to throw some water and some texture mousse upon this. Y'all, look at that. Look how thick and pretty and ignorant those curls. Oh, wait. Y'all, I cannot even express to you how much I was feeling this wig, and I'm still shocked. I am still shocked about this one. Wow, go get it, like immediately. I cannot believe that this wig is this pretty. I cannot. And it feels, I can already tell about the fit. It's nice and snug on my head. Definitely now that I have kind of adjusted the fit around my ears. But look how beautiful that is, y'all. Look. Girl, I was impressed. Oh, and I'm just gonna go through the whole thing, but this is what I wanted to try out. This is a 4-in-1 hair straightening, curling iron comb, hot comb, electric hair dryer. That's what they say, honey. There is no, oh no, it doesn't say hot comb. Yeah, it does. It says hot air comb. Okay. So not the hot comb that we thinking about, okay, for Sunday morning. So this is a perfect chance for me to try out the diffuser. I love it, y'all. This is a very straight and to the point device. It has several different attachments for that just, you know, they have their separate purposes, but this is so when you have like curly hair, you want to get those roots, you want to get the hair dry, and you don't want the hair to blow all over the place. It kind of locks the curls in place while it's drying. But I'm gonna take a piece of this and just see the blow brush. This is the straightening attachment, and although it did straighten, it took a little time. It did take a little time. So it took about, I don't know, I actually don't know how long, because I think I was watching People's Court while I was doing this. But yeah, it will eventually get the wig straightened, and this wig is afro kinky curly, so the curls are, you know, rather snug. Okay, so it took a little while to get it to that point, but it did get it to that point. Okay, I would still go through it with a flat iron though after that. All right, and look how the curls just bounce back. Look how the curls on the wig just bounce, because you know sometimes all the wigs don't do that now. You know that, don't you? Oh, look at this, y'all. Look at this wig. Call somebody in here to look at this right now. Look, and it's still glueless. That's not even melted down. You hear me? That's not even melted down. Okay, TEMU ain't have to do it like this. TEMU, what? Listen, let me tell you something. These wigs today, honey, that's how y'all feel, TEMU. Wow. So the hair is soft, it's bouncy, it's fluffy. The curls are absolutely beautiful. Y'all already know it's glueless. I was gonna pick it out some more to see. You know, I like big hair, so I did end up picking it out a little bit. But honey, I had to play with it like this for a while because I was feeling this wig so much. I was feeling it. That's the praise team, side to side. You already know what time it is. So here we go. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. And you know, I got 18 inches. That's my sweet spot when it comes to curly wigs. We did that, period. Nothing else to be said about this wig besides get it. That's it. That's all. You guys. And look, clearly, again, glueless. That's vacation wig right there. You can come about the water with that. Now this one, honey. Child. They done put 11 twists on this ponytail and went on to the house. I can't. I just didn't go into it with faith. I'm not gonna lie. I didn't go into it with the confidence that I normally might, okay? But let me just tell you, this is a 28-inch braid ponytail extension drawstring hair extension. It has one comb and it has the drawstring. Listen, let me tell you, if you are gonna wear like a baseball cap, yes, this would work, okay? Just have you a cap on with it, okay? If your hair is braided, it may look a little bit more seamless. So I wasn't necessarily looking for it to be the most seamless because obviously my hair is loose. It's not braided up or twisted up. So it's kind of like, you know, but for me, there's not enough twist on this ponytail. Now, the babies might can get it and play hairstylist. They can play hair school with it, you know, get it for the children, but I need a little bit more action on that ponytail, honey. It's coming a little thin. It's coming a little thin. But y'all, tell me which one was your favorite, or ones, you guys. I cannot believe how absolutely dope this session was. We found us some slaves, didn't we? TEMU didn't have to do it like that. Yes. Y'all blow the comments up. I want to hear your thoughts on these wigs. All right. Peace, love, light.